What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. I'm telling you, I haven't been in front of the camera for about 2 weeks now. I've been looking for somebody to record. I very much recorded everybody I know. My man here, I featured him before, and I'm gonna feature him again. Shout out to Guns of the Barber, before I forget. Miguel Torres, Miss Virginia from out of Texas. Shout out to Cus from Custom Made Barber Shop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Mr. G's, the barber instructor. What's up? Cortex Cut. This guy right here is a texting barber. The gentleman behind me is a texting barber. We know it. I know it. Everybody knows it. Anyway, today I have a basic ABC skin taper, 1.5 metal with the grain. As you already know my style, majority of the haircut has already been completed. I leave the back taper and the right taper. That's it. Shout out to Angelic Cuts, congratulations. I know you're watching. All right, enough with all that talking. Let's go! I have to adjust the camera now, you know my style. Oh, it's gonna be a nice one. Yep, I have to adjust the camera a bit. Then we're gonna go to work. I'm gonna start with the back taper. Make sure the lighting is right. Boom, all right. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm not doing anything different here. Oh snap. Do you have any? He can break it down. All right. I'm not doing anything different here. This is the usual skin taper. Wavelength on top. It's all good. Wavelength on top. This is our usual skin taper. Wavelength on top. I'm gonna get started in a minute. Make sure my lighting is right. All right, here we go. Shout out to Tico Cuts, the only Filipino barber in the world. I see you. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. By the way, if you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. Mr. Greg, let him out, please. All right, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with my 08 blade as usual. This taper falls in the category of a high taper. I just put the 08 blade down. Use my 000 at an angle, soft angle, corner, corner, corner. .50 below my 000. I don't need a whole lot of it. Boom. All right, moving right along. Now I'm gonna create my. I'm gonna break down the bolt with my number 2 blade, then reverse blend all the way down to the 08, maybe the 000, maybe my last blade. Keep in mind I have a 1.5 with the grain up top. This is my number 2. Boom. 1.5. Then the same 1.5, I'm gonna smooth stuff out. Smooth the hair out and make sure my transition is nice and soft. Then my 1/8. Protects you, free to go. My 1/8 below the 1.5. Get in there. And the same 1/8. I'm gonna soften my boat one more time. All right. Then the 1. Nice and soft. Boom. We're looking good already. Then the 0.8 below the 1. Nice and soft. This is the time I don't need to get excited here. My stroke should be nice and consistent and soft. Hardly any pressure. Gentlemen. Boom. Oh my God, we're looking good. I still have the 1/8 blade on. Boom. All right, quickly I'm going to repeat the same steps, maybe a portion of it. I got the number 2 blade one more time, just to make my transition nice and soft. I usually repeat the steps when it's necessary. This time it's not that much necessary, but out of habit, I'm doing it anyway. This is the 1.5 below the 2. By the way, those YouTubers, I'm not saying no name yet, those who pretend to do all detachable blades, come on, cut it out. Cut it out. They pretend to do all detachable blades, they got adjustable clippers all over the haircut. Stop playing, people. The Barber Illuminati here is here to show the world the real deal. How all detachable blades get done. You cannot be doing all detachable blades and you have an adjustable blade clipper all over your haircut. What's going on? This is not Barber Illuminati. Stop playing, people. All right, I just had to say that. Yeah, let me calm down and finish the video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But here and there I get upset. I see a lot of little fake YouTubers online trying to step into the territory of the Barber Illuminati, pretending to be doing all blade. Wow, this is ridiculous. I have the absolute right to lose my cool. Wow, unbelievable. By the way, this is the 1/8. I'm going to smooth out the transition a little bit more, then I'm going to move on. All right. All right, let me adjust the chair a bit, then I'm going to keep working. All right, let me adjust the camera a bit. This one got to be just right. Bingo. Bingo. Oh yeah, you're on the right track. Mr. G's. I think the bottom button. Okay. Thank you. All right, this is the OA guideline one more time. Triple 0. below the OA. Corner, corner, corner. Get in there. Five zero. On the same manner, slightly lower. Done. Now we're moving on to the number 2 blade. On the same concept that I use in the back, I'm using on the side. Boom. 1.5 below the 2. Keep in mind I had the same 1.5 going this way. In the 1A. Mr. Greg, you can charge this, guys. All 3 of them. You guys been together? Yes, sir. Boom. All right, I'm going to do a quick repetition, starting with the 1.5. Gentlemen, don't forget to tip the barbers. This is the 1A. I just put the 1.5 down. 1A. The 1. Boom. All right, Cortex, do your thing. All right, let's wrap this up. Mr. Greg, let him out, please. Thank you. Boom. All right. We're gonna go ahead and slap a lining on the other side, or on the neck. Then we're going to Olive Garden. I said we. I'm going to Olive Garden. What are you doing? You going home? Oh man. All right. Okay. All right, that's it. All right, what else? This video is very much completed. I'm gonna do a little quick freehand work at random spots. Then I'm going to Olive Garden. I don't know what the rest of the staff is doing, but I'm going to the Olive Garden, get me a shrimp Alfredo, add some chicken to it, grilled chicken to it for the salad, eat my food, take a shower, and go to bed. That's what I'm going to do. Yep. All right, you two, I'm going to do a quick spin. We've been at it for a while now. All right, keep your head up, sir. I'm going to do a quick spin, then I'm going to let my man go. All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, this is the Barber Illuminati production. Angelic Cuts, congratulations once again. Jesus Cuts, I see you. Jose the Barber, I know you're watching. Who else? Ricardo's Cuts, yes. I hope you're doing good out there. You know what we talked about? Who else? Yeah, that's about it. Custom Made Barbershop, I see you. Congratulations. What else? Okay, I'm gonna take a minute to go off. I'm gonna take a minute to go off. I have the absolute right to do it because I am the self-made Barber Illuminati. I have the complete, total, absolute right to do it. Hey, listen to me. If you're a YouTuber and you're pretending to do all detachable blades, haircut tutorial, I have a problem with you. I repeat, if you're pretending to do all detachable blades, haircut tutorial, I have a problem with you. I set the example, it's all detachable blade. All mean all, 100%. There's no way you're calling yourself doing all detachable blades and then you have adjustable clippers all over your video. Please don't forget to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.